go, good fish. Good fish. There we go, in the net. Very, very nice fish. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? ChrisCantFish. Welcome back to another fishing video. Today we are on the kayak in the Beaverdam Swamp Reservoir. Yep. Out here in, what is this, Hayes? Yep. All right. Got the homie Matt out here. Gonna do some yak fishing, try to get some bass. And yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully we can catch something. Since this is a new body of water, I'm gonna throw something I'm a little bit comfortable with and have some confidence in, which is the spinner. Hopefully we can get a fish. All right, we're gonna switch it up to a crankbait since we're fishing some rocks. Maybe we'll be able to get one that way. Nice. Yeah, dude, that's definitely high 3-4. That, oh, hold on.
That might be my PB.
That's got to be your PB, dude.
That's got, yeah.
Dude.
That's a big fucking.
That's a nice fish, dude. There you go. We'll do a trade unless you want to weigh it. Please. Yeah, that's a 4-pounder.
Oh fuck yeah. That's starting to fucking fish.
4-3.
Okay.
You want to take a picture of it?
Yeah.
Get you a good release, son. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Dope fish.
Thank you, girl.
There she goes. That's what it's about, dude. Good stuff. Hopefully we can get on some of them. All right, Matt just got his PB on a chatterbait, so I guess I'll throw a chatterbait. See if I can make something happen. All right, well now no matter what, we got to try to make a video now. We got that. I lied. We got to pull the crankbait back out. There we go. Yep. Fuck. Oh, he broke me off, dude. Dang, man. That was a good fish. Whoops. Go. Oh, it came off. Oh, it's gonna be one of those days. I am fucking landing this fish. Dude, he's fighting like crazy. Ugh. All right, dude. Finally got some freaking redemption. This guy was one hell of a fight. There we go, dude. Got to be like a little, almost 2-pounder. It's a nice fish. Thanks for being the first fish that actually wants to cooperate today, buddy. There he goes. If I was gonna be 0 for 3, it would have been a wrap. It'd be Chris Can't Breathe. It was cool. I watched him eat it. Yeah. It's funny because when he bit it, I didn't feel it, but I saw it. So that's when I hook set. Sorry, I'm locked in right now. I just want to catch more. Yo, what the fuck? Fuck off, bro. go. Good fish. Good fish. There we go, in the net. This is like definitely a 3-pounder. Very, very nice fish. Look at that guy right there. Absolutely beautiful on the spinner. Heck yeah, dude. Thank you so much for biting, buddy. Yep, there we go. It's a pickerel. I didn't know they had pickerel in here. Now you called that. You said you're gonna get a fish right here. And then this little pickerel came out of nowhere. Oh, terrible net job. There we go. Yeah, it's not bad. Another species on the board, which is kind of unexpected. I didn't know they were in here. Hey, ease up, champ. Relax, little guy. Relax. And unhook my paddle tail. Oh, I just bit the corner off. All right, well, you can have that as a souvenir. We've got this little chain pickerel. Yeah, it is very pretty. Not a bass, but thanks for biting, buddy. There he goes. Yeah, dude, a fish is a fish. A fight is a fight. Let's go. Oh, this fly is so annoying. Nice. That's a good fish. Yeah, it is. Nice. Got that standing up too.
Yes, that's what I needed.
Hold that thing up. Heck yeah, dude. Yeah. Nice fish. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my GoPro's about to die and we're hot and hungry. So we're gonna pretty much call it here. Got a bunch of pretty decent fish this video. First time really fishing Beaver Dam. And I say we'll definitely be coming back here because all the fish we got were pretty healthy. And then Matt got his PB, so that's awesome. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the content in this video. This has been ChrisCantFish, and maybe one day I'll learn. Peace.